Even during this age of the SUV, there's still demand for an honest and frugal midsize family sedan, and the 2024 Honda Accord is the best of the bunch. While entry-level models of Honda's fixture four-door are powered by a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder, most models will leave the factory with a fuel-efficient four-cylinder hybrid setup. No matter which you choose, front-wheel drive is the only option. The Accord was redesigned last year, and its fresh wardrobe of sheet metal is arguably the most attractive the car has worn in generations. Inside, the Accord offers two roomy rows of seats, a generously sized trunk, and all the infotainment tech expected from a modern car. But the real reason it receives our praises is its refined road manners, which are noticeable from mile one. Crisp steering, a well-damped suspension, and predictable handling all contribute to driver confidence and enjoyment. Simply put, the Accord is the whole package, which is why it's on our 10 best cars and Editor's Choice lists again for 2024. The Accord's LX and EX trims are powered by a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine that makes 192 horsepower and drives the front wheels through a CVT. Like previous generations of the Accord, it doesn't offer all-wheel drive. The hybrid powertrain takes a more prominent position in the lineup. It consists of a 2.0-liter four-cylinder and two electric motors that combine for 204 horsepower, and it's the only powertrain offered on Sport, EXL, Sport L, and Touring models. During our test of the Accord Hybrid, it managed a 6.5-second effort to 60 miles per hour. Honda says it has tweaked the suspension and steering in its family sedan to improve both ride quality and handling, and during our brief initial test drive, we couldn't really tell much difference from the previous generation model. And that's okay, as the Accord remains as refined and fun to drive as ever. The Accord's handling is confidence-inspiring. Its steering is precise, body motions are well controlled, and the ride is compliant, a combination that drivers are sure to appreciate as much as our editors do. According to the EPA, the Accord Hybrid is good for 51 miles per gallon city and 48 miles per gallon highway. Fuel economy numbers for the non-hybrid Accord aren't as impressive at 29 miles per gallon city and 37 miles per gallon highway. But on our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy route, the Accord EX with the non-hybrid powertrain managed 40 miles per gallon. The hybrid we tested achieved 39 miles per gallon on the highway, which should be good for as much as 490 miles of driving between fill-ups. For more information about the Accord's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Like the exterior, the Accord's cabin wears a sleek design with elements borrowed from the latest new Hondas that help tie them together with familial DNA. The HVAC air vents, for example, hide behind an expanse of honeycomb trim, a clever design element also found in both the new Civic and the CR-V SUV. Honda says it has redesigned the Accord's front seats to support torsos more firmly and has also carefully shaped the trunk to hold up to 16.7 cubic feet of cargo. While LX, EX, and Sport trims come with cloth upholstery, all others come with leather. An upright 7.0 or 12.3-inch touchscreen display provides easy access to the Accord's infotainment system, and all models, regardless of trim, come with a 10.2-inch digital gauge display standard. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included across the lineup, but only those with the larger 12.3-inch touchscreen offer wireless connectivity for those features. High-end touring trims come with a wireless smartphone charging pad, a 6.0-inch head-up display, and a 12-speaker Bose stereo system. All Accords come standard with a suite of driver assistance tech that Honda calls Honda Sensing. The bundle of features includes basics such as automated emergency braking and lane departure warning, as well as convenience functions such as adaptive cruise control and traffic sign recognition. For more information about the Accord's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, standard adaptive cruise control. Honda's warranty coverage is adequate but falls short of the class-leading coverage periods provided by Hyundai, but, like the Toyota Camry, the Accord stands out in this class by offering complimentary scheduled maintenance. Limited warranty covers 3 years or 36,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. Complimentary scheduled maintenance for 2 years or 24,000 miles.
9. Received the Motor Week Driver's Choice Best EV Award for 2024. Last year, the 2023 Kia F6 also received the